In this question, we're asked to simplify an expression involving three different variables. The variables are x, y, and z, involving some exponents. So what we're going to do with this is we're going to use our exponent laws, and we're going to try to simplify this as much as we can. So let me begin by taking this 1/6 exponent and applying it to everything inside the bracket. So we have x cubed y to the -2 divided by z to the 4th. And we're going to raise that all to the power of 1/6. So what I'm going to do now is this power of 1/6 applies to all of the variables inside of these brackets. So I'm just going to put them onto all of these variables. So we have x to the power of 1/3 times 1/6. So this becomes x to the power of 1/3 times 1/6. We have x to the power, or y to the power of -2 to the power of 1/6. So that becomes y to the -2 times 1/6. And then we have all of that divided by z to the power of 4 times 1/6. So this is z to the power of 4 times 1/6. And now if we simplify this, 3 times 1/6, well, that's 3/6, and you can simplify that to 1/2. So this becomes x to the 1/2. Y to the power of -2 times 1/6. -2 times 1/6 is -1/3. So we have y to the power of -1/3. And we divide by z to the power of 4 times 1/6. So 4 times 1/6 is 4/6, which is exactly equal to 2/3. So this becomes z to the power of 2/3. Now we still have this y to the -1/3 on here. So what we would like to do is turn that into a positive exponent. And to do that, what we're going to do is we are going to turn it into its reciprocal. And then we're going to multiply the whole thing through. So we have x to the 1/2 times 1 over y to the 1/3. Now we have a positive exponent for y, and z is still here on the bottom, z to the power of 2/3. And now what I can do is I can now move this y down to the bottom. So I have x to the power of 1/2 over z to the power of 2/3 times y to the power of 1/3.